Hello everyone, do you know that you can get up to 10% discount using Opay Verve card at restaurants? Well, I'll walk you through how to do it. The first thing you gotta do is open up your Opay app, and then you can see here you have grab 10% off using Opay Verve card now. So here you can see grab 10% off using Opay Verve card now. Tap on it, give it a few seconds, and you can see everything about it. So here we have, you can get up to 10% off when you use a Verve card at selected restaurants. Wow, this is a promo that is taking place between August 15th to December 31st, 2024, between Thursdays to Sundays. So you need to grab this opportunity now. Now, how do you find the selected locations? Tap here, and we're looking for restaurants. So the restaurant, we have two restaurants that are in conjunction with Opay for you to enjoy this discount. The first restaurant is The Place. So if you go here, you can see all the locations. Look for the one closest to you, and also the Sweet Sensation restaurant. If you go through here, you can also see the addresses closest to you. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and get your Opay Verve card and enjoy benefits of this when you pay with your Opay Verve card at these selected restaurants. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips like this. Let us know how it went in the comment section.